Hi, second graders. Today's lesson is lesson 9.2. Today's lesson objective: children explore equal shares of different shapes, divide shapes, and make a number line. The vocabulary for today's lesson: equal share. These are equal, these are unequal. Let's get started. Fraction names: 1/2, 2/2, 1/4, 4/4, 1/3, and 3/3. These fraction names are important to remember. Please take out a blank sheet of paper and a pencil. Solve the number model. "15 plus 15 plus 10 equals 40. Remember to keep an eye out for combinations of 10 and friendly numbers. Let's try the next one. Solve the number model. 19 plus 11 plus 20. The answer is 50. Let's try the next one. 14 plus 16 plus 11 plus 19. The answer is 60. Keep in mind you can pause the video at any time. Let's try the next one. 16 plus 24 plus 22 plus 28. The answer is 90. Great job. Let's try the next one. 11 plus 12 plus 23 plus 14. The answer is 60. Let's try the last one. 21 plus 11 plus 23 plus 24 equals. The answer is 79. Today's math message. Please open your math journal to page 223. The directions: solve. Explain your thinking to a partner. Juan has a cracker he wants to share equally with two friends. He divided the cracker in an unusual way. Do you think Juan divided the cracker into 3 equal parts? Explain your answer. Please pause the video now. Do you think Juan divided the cracker into 3 equal parts? Yes, he did. Sample answer: each piece has 3 small squares of the same size, so everyone gets the same amount, even though they're different shapes. Check your work. Please take out a blank sheet of paper. You'll also need a pencil. We're going to work on making a number line. Step 1. Make a tick mark close to each end of your strip. Step 2. Label the tick mark on the left with a 0 and the tick mark on the right with a 1. Your paper should look like this. Fold the strip in half. Step 4. Open the strip. You should have 2 equal parts. Step 5. Make a tick mark on the fold line. Step 6. Write a fraction word to label the tick mark. What name did you write on the center tick mark? If you wrote 1/2, you're correct. What is another name for the tick mark? You could just say half. More you can do. Make another number line from 0 to 1. Fold it into 4 equal parts and make a tick mark at each fold. Write a fraction word to label each tick mark. We're going to review the more you can do on the next slide. Here's my number line. I marked my 0 on the left and my 1 on the right. We already put the 1/2 in the middle. Now, if I were to fold my paper into 4 equal parts, what would I name this tick mark? Remember, this is 1 out of 4 parts. That's right, I would label it 1/4 or 1/4. What would I label this tick mark? Remember, it's 1, 2, 3 pieces out of 4 total pieces. I would label it 3/4 or 3/4. Great job. Today's home links page is on page 199. Take a look at the fraction names word box. Number 1, write the name for one part. Then write the name for all of the parts. Number 2, again, write the name for one part and write the name for all of the parts. Today's math journal page is on page 223. This problem we completed for our math message. Make sure you check your work. Today's math boxes are on page 224. Number 1, draw a shape that has 5 sides. Name this shape. Number 2, divide this shape into 2 equal parts. Number 3, which numbers are less than 601? Fill in the bubble or bubbles next to the correct answer or answers. There may be more than one correct answer. Number 4, solve. Show your work. 94 minus 37. Make sure you write your answer down here. Number 5, writing and reasoning. In problem 1, you drew a shape with 5 sides. Draw a shape with 5 sides that looks different from that one. What is the name of your shape? How do you know? Check your work from lesson 9.1. Great job today.